At the hire shop, we have the tools and equipment to get it home and get your next job done, like this Rug Doctor cleaner. The Rug Doctors are great for removing deep down dirt and stains from carpet and upholstery. The Rug Doctor's great in large open rooms with no furniture in them. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know when hiring a Rug Doctor. So let's take a look at the unit. It's lightweight and easily manoeuvrable. It has an adjustable handle, long cord to help you around the room. You've got your vacuum on switch as well as your toggle between your carpet and your upholstery. You've got your filter here under your dome. The white tank here is your dirty water tank. The bottom tank here is your clean water with your carpet solution. And underneath you've got the agitator brushes for the carpet. When using the Rug Doctor, it's important to have a well ventilated room to allow air circulation to help the carpet dry quickly. The best drying temp is between 22 to 25 degrees. A portable fan will help speed up the drying time and never close the room off until the carpet is dry. To help your carpet dry, try not to over-wet it, and don't replace the furniture or walk on the carpet until it's completely dry. To avoid staining, make sure that your curtains and blinds don't come in contact with the wet carpet. Before you get started, clear the room of any furniture and give it a good vacuum. Now let me show you how to set it up. Remove the white upper bucket and fill the exposed lower tank with the mixed cleaning solution. The tank is full when the liquid is covering the filter screen halfway. Inspect the back of the Rug Doctor machine to ensure hose connections are secure. Check switch on top is set to clean carpet or upholstery depending on task. Plug in the power cord, position machine and press on. If you want to use the upholstery attachment, just simply connect it to the back of the machine and you're ready to go. And we have a range of cleaning products to help you get the best results. Now your carpets are done, you need to bring the machine back clean. So empty out the clean and dirty water tanks and give it a wipe over with a cloth. For more detailed information on hiring a Rug Doctor carpet cleaner, visit the hire shop at your local Bunnings warehouse and a team member would be happy to help you out.